Hello, little wildflowers. When was the last time you paused to live? Not because you were tired, not because your body demanded rest, but because your soul whispered, please slow down, look, feel. We move so fast these days, from one task to the next, from one screen to the other, from one responsibility to the next expectation. We wake up already thinking of what must be done. We fall asleep with unfinished thoughts still spinning in our minds. And somewhere in between, life keeps happening, quietly, patiently, waiting for us to notice. When was the last time you stood still long enough to hear your own breathing, to feel the ground beneath your feet, to notice the way light spills across the floor in the morning, the way the water dances when it catches the sunlight, the way colors move gently without asking for attention. We rush through moments that were meant to be felt. We scroll past beauty. We ignore wonder. We forget that we are alive, not just surviving. Somewhere inside you, there is a quieter version of yourself who remembers how to be present. The child who used to stop and watch ants across the path. The dreamer who stared at clouds and found shapes in the sky. The soul who once believed that magic lived in the ordinary things. That version of you is still there, waiting. Waiting for you to slow your steps. Waiting for you to soften your breath. Waiting for you to remember that life is not a race. When was the last time you allowed yourself to be amazed, to watch fish glide through water like living brushstrokes, to follow the pulse of jellyfish, to stand in silence and feel small in the best way possible, to realize that even the world is still beautiful even when your days feel heavy, that peace still exists even when your mind is loud, that wonder is always nearby. If only you let yourself look. So pause, not for productivity, not for efficiency, not for achievement. Pause for yourself. Pause to hear your heartbeat. Pause to notice the colors around you. Pause to remember that you are not a machine. You are not a checklist. You are not your deadlines. You are a living, breathing being, moving through a wonderful world of quiet miracles. Look at the water, the way it bends light. the way it carries life, the way it never rushes, yet always arrives. Look at the creatures who live within it. They do not chase the future. They do not regret the past. They simply exist, fully, completely, and beautifully. And maybe that is our lesson. Maybe life is not meant to be conquered. Maybe it's just meant to be experienced, slowly, gently, with open eyes and open hearts. Maybe joy is not found in doing more, but in noticing more. Maybe peace is not somewhere ahead, but right here, waiting for you to stop long enough to feel it. So, I ask you again, when was the last time you paused to live? Not just to survive, not just to get through the day, but to truly be here, to feel this moment, to witness its beauty, to let it change you. And if today is that moment, then breathe. Let your shoulders soften, let your thoughts slow, let your heart open. Life is happening right now. And you, my dear friend, are allowed to be a part of it.